guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on recommendations on notification settings on your account on Xtwitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy and click notifications and click preferences and click push notifications. There you will find it recommendations. Just click on it like this and it should be turned on. And that's it. That's how to turn on recommendations on push notification settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.